Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your Bigo ID or your Bigo name. So guys, it's very simple. Now if you want to do that, first step to take is of course open your Bigo app and then log into your account. After that, click on this me icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you click on that, you're going to find this person icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. All right, so once you're right here, you're going to find all your Bigo Live account information. All right, now if you want to change your Bigo ID, the next thing you have to do right here is this. If you look at the top right corner, you find this icon right there. Click on that. Now once you click on that, here you're going to find your name. Once you tap on it, then you can be able to edit it. All right, now click on the submit button, and as you can see right here, it has been updated. So guys, this is how you can change your Bigo ID. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.